Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure HealthMarkets quotes and application steps step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the HealthMarkets website. Locate the quotes section on the home page. Click on the Get Quotes button to start the process. You will be prompted to enter your zip code. Fill in the required zip code and click Continue. Next, specify the type of health insurance you're interested in. Select options such as individual, family, or Medicare. Provide additional information as requested, such as age, gender, and household size. Click View Quotes to generate a list of available plans. Review the quotes presented to find a plan that suits your needs. Click on a specific plan for more detailed information. Take note of the monthly premium, deductible, and coverage details. Once you've selected a plan, click on the Apply Now button. You'll need to create an account or log in if you already have one. Fill in the application form with the required personal information. This may include your address, social security number, and income details. Review your information carefully to ensure accuracy. Submit your application by clicking the Submit button. Wait for confirmation that your application has been received. You may receive a follow-up phone call or email for further steps. Once approved, you'll receive details about your coverage start date. Review your policy documents for clarity on your benefits. If needed, contact customer support for any questions or assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.